Welcome to Quiz Planet. Today you have 20 questions to test your English and grammar skills. You will get 5 seconds for each question. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started. He is afraid of dogs. She goes to office every day. Each of the boys was rewarded. He is good at mathematics. English is spoken all over the world. He said that he was busy. He is an honest man. If I were rich, I would help the poor. This book belongs to me. He did not write the letter. Neither Ali nor his friends are coming. He is taller than his brother. Do not laugh at the poor. The work was completed yesterday. You should obey your parents. She is used to waking early. He is senior to me. He ordered me to be quiet. He ran quickly to catch the bus. No sooner did he arrive than the meeting started. You've completed Quiz Planet. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Subscribe for daily English quizzes and brain challenges. Thanks for playing.